Hi customers, this is the brand new GLE GLC Mercedes brand front grille badge. You can see this is a mirror face gloss black with chrome star and chrome ring around the badge. And as you can see, okay, turn around. Okay, it is with very good quality. And when we turn to the back side, we can see there's a word TOP, top. It means this is the top side of the badge, and when you install this badge on the grill, this side with the top letters should be on the up direction. It means when we face to the grill, this side should be on the top. It means like this. Okay, we hold it like this, and you can see the back side is the top letters. It means this side should be standing up. And when we put the badge on the grill, we press and then we turn the badge in clockwise direction like this. Should be like this. And then the badge can be installed successfully. Thank you.